The heavy chain stitch is a thick-looking chain stitch. It creates a more solid and smooth chain stitch line that looks like tightly worked braid. It can be used particularly everywhere you would use a regular chain stitch line. The heavy chain stitch works great on straight lines and gently and tight curves. Basically, the heavy chain stitch performs the same way as a reversed chain stitch. Start by making one short stitch, come up in another place, and slide under the first anchor stitch and go back down into the same hole. You just created a simple lazy daisy stitch, just like you did for the reverse chain stitch. Then come up in another place down the line and pass the needle through the anchor stitch again, and then go down into the same hole. So now you have two chain stitches together here. Now to continue, come up in another place down the line and pass the needle through those two chain stitches. Just slide behind them without picking up any fabric and go down into the same hole. This is what makes this chain stitch thicker. Continue doing the same way along the line, each time sliding the needle through the two previous layers of chain stitch. Keep up your stitches even in size and spacing for a neat look. You can slide between the previous stitch from one side or another, it doesn't matter. The result will be the same, just do it the way you feel comfortable. Remember, you need to go with your needle between the thread and fabric without splitting anything. You can use a blind-ended tapestry needle if you're constantly splitting the thread or fabric, or slide using the needle's eye side. It will also work well. You can finish the usual way, just come up a little closer. As a result, you will get a heavier chain stitch line, which is perfect for lettering. I hope this video tutorial was helpful for you and you learned something. If yes, please give it a like and leave your comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more videos like that. In my next video, I will be talking about all the rest chain stitch variations, and you will probably learn more stitches with me. If you want to stitch this sampler too, I have many samplers like that available on my Patreon. You can also find some PDFs with such samplers on my Etsy shop. All the links in the video description below. So thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!